thanks for watching. In today's video, we're opening up the August BeautyFIX by Dermstore. So if you don't know what this is, it is primarily a skincare subscription. You can also purchase this box for one time. So for the subscription plan, it costs $24.95 a month, but if you want to purchase it just one time, it is $34.95. I will link this down below. You are guaranteed to get a value of at least $100. So in today's video, we will be unboxing this, of course, and then at the end of the video, I will do a quick review of the products from July. Before we get started though, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here in our channel, so if you love beauty boxes, skincare, subscription boxes in general, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But yeah, let's get this box open. I did not look at any spoilers. You are able to look online so you know what you're getting, especially if you like purchase it one time. Anyways, this is what it looks like when I open it up. Oh wow, the packing material is very interesting. I just have to point this out, and it's like a whole roll of it. I should like save this to use like when I ship Mercari stuff. Yeah, there's a sneak peek. Whoop. It seems packed. Oh, is there a card? Normally there is a card that looks like something like this. That's last month's. I don't see unless it's on the bottom. So there isn't a card, but to be honest, I don't even think what they provide us is that much information. It gives like a sentence for each product and doesn't give you any like details, but there is usually a theme, so I'm just gonna pull up their website really quick. Oh, and just FYI, if you do subscribe, they have a 4% cash back for Rakuten. If you guys are not yet Rakuten members, formerly known as Ebates, I will leave a link down below where you can get an extra $10 in addition to that 4% cash back. Definitely a good service, especially if you shop online a lot, which I know a lot of us are doing. So let's see, what is the theme? In this box, you do get a mix of full-size and deluxe-size items. One of the items is $60 that we're getting. But let's see, so I don't see any theme or anything like that, but if I need to look something up, I have it pulled up. And let's start off with that item that is expensive. This is by Dr. Loretta, and it's a tightening eye gel. It says tightens eye contour and fades dark circles, and this won an Allure Beauty Award. I've never heard of this brand. On the back it says, this hydrating antioxidant eye gel reduces puffiness, dark circles, and appearance of crow's feet. Algae extract supports skin's collagen, while peptides tighten the eye contour. Chroma Bright fades uneven pigment and protects skin from free radical damage caused by UVA and HEV light, while Lipochromin guards against free radical damage caused by pollution and UV radiation. Well, normally I'm not excited to get eye creams because I have so many, but this sounds very unique and different than the eye creams I currently have. Most of them do not have these claims, so I'm excited. This is what the actual packaging looks like. I like how it looks. It looks nice. So yeah, this is $60, and you get a lot of product in here, it looks like. Or actually, it might be like deceivingly big. For an eye cream, it's big. 0.67 fluid ounces or 20 milliliters, and a full-size serum, you get 30 milliliters. So yeah, this is big, because an eye cream you just need a little bit. So I'm super excited to start using this. Of course, I will keep you updated on all the products we're opening today, next month, at the end of September's video. Crazy. Oh, the next item, it's a deluxe size, but I'm excited to get it because I've heard good things about this. This is by First Aid Beauty. It's their Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with Zinc Oxide, and it's SPF 30. So there's 14 milliliters in here. I can't remember, but there's a YouTuber, maybe a couple actually, that I watch, like beauty YouTubers that really like this. I want to say Kelly Gooch, but I don't know. It says safe for sensitive skin, dermatologist tested, fragrance free, which I like, and I love that it's a mineral sunscreen. I'm just double checking because it says zinc oxide, which is mineral. Titanium dioxide and zinc oxide are the two minerals, and they can leave a white cast, but I do prefer it. Oh, and this is tinted. So perfect, so more people can use this. So white cast on someone fair like me isn't always a big deal, but I know for most people it is. So this is tinted. Let's see how it rubs out, because if it doesn't, it might be like too dark for me actually. But it seems like that color is kind of dissipating and blending in. But is my hand darker? I guess I will have to try it out, but I always use sunscreen every day, and I typically like put makeup over it so it wouldn't be a big deal, but I'm glad it's tinted so more people can use it. And I'm really excited to try it. I love trying new sunscreen products. Next is another deluxe size item by Living Proof. This is the Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Love getting dry shampoo, I use it often. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. I feel like I've tried this dry shampoo in the past and I really liked it, but Living Proof is a really expensive brand, so I never repurchased it. So I am excited to try this out again because I can't fully remember what I think, but pretty sure I liked this. So far, like spoiler too, I had the review later, but I like this box already more than last month. We have a Tula product here. This is their Detox in a Jar Exfoliating Treatment Mask, and this is in their probiotic line. I really like Tula. I actually use a Tula product today, like the under eye balm that I received. Was it in the last BoxyLux? I really like that. So you get 0.5 ounces in here. It says this mask detoxifies, exfoliates, revealing a smoother and brighter complexion. You apply it on clean skin and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. That's not bad. That's quick. And rinse with water, use 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm looking forward to it. I used to always say that I preferred sheet masks, but I know that's just very wasteful because each time you use the mask, it's producing waste. So I'm trying to gravitate more towards non-sheet masks like this, so I am excited to get this in the box. Oh, and we have a sample here by Briogeo, Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil with ceramides for dry and damaged hair. I like hair oils. I actually used a little bit in my hair today. So I use like the Moroccan oil one. So again, another deluxe size. I'm guessing we're getting mostly deluxe size because we got the one full size item that's $60, so I don't mind. And with oils, especially for me, even with really long hair, you only need a couple drops. You don't want to go too heavy with it. Yeah, it says apply a few drops to dry or damp hair. Oh, interesting. I usually use it on dry hair. It says focusing on the mid-lengths to ends or other areas of damage. I'm excited to try this. I hear such great things about Briogeo, but I haven't tried too much in their hairline or any of their products. I think they've expanded to other stuff now, but they're primarily a hair care brand, so yay. Oh, I forgot about this other full-size item. I pulled it out first, but this is like a bag, and I think this is by Dermstore. Yep, this is called the Derm Store Wet Bag. This is a good size. It says a water-resistant multi-use bag for storing your wet belongings or toiletries. This is perfect. So if you do store your toiletries in here and they spill, which has definitely happened to me, you don't have to worry about it like leaking out and getting everywhere, and you can easily clean it. Or you can like use this to throw in like your like wet swimsuit or whatever when you're out, like at the beach or pool or whatever you're doing. And it's a good size too. And it's cute. So this will definitely come in handy. Nice. And this is definitely full size. I believe there's one more item, and this is by Dermalect. It's their Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer made with chamomile, azulene, and collagen. Oh yeah, I just had like a cough attack. I had like a tickle in my throat, so if my eyes are watering or anything like that. So I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. This is specifically formulated for sensitive skin, calming, soothing, hydrating, and de-stressing. You can apply it to clean skin AM and or PM. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my hand. Nice. I believe it's fragrance free. I mean, it has some of the like chamomile in it, but I don't really smell anything. It kind of just like smells like skincare. So that was everything, you guys. I think this was a good box. So what am I the most excited about? I can't believe I'm saying this, but I am excited to try an eye product. If you guys have been around, you know I like complain that I got an eye cream like every single month from Ipsy. That's why I bring it up. But this is different. It's Tightening Eye Gel. I didn't even think to put this on my hand. Oh, look at the pump applicator. Cool. I don't want to waste it, even though there's so much in here. What am I talking about? Yeah, it is a gel. You know, it kind of feels cool too, so I bet it will help with depuffing a little bit, which I could always use help with. Yay. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. The sunscreen too, because I've been wanting to try it, and I've been wanting to get more into tinted sunscreens. Like eventually in the future I want to do like a whole sunscreen video. I don't know if anyone's interested, but I just think everyone should be wearing sunscreen every day, so it is something relevant hopefully. But But yeah, let me know if you want to see a sunscreen video. I don't know where I was going there. The Tula product, dry shampoo I'm always happy to get, the wet bag. Yeah, overall I think this was definitely a great month, and this box is still available. It looks like if you guys do want to subscribe or just purchase it one time, linked down below. But now let's talk about last month's products. So I was prepping yesterday for my like beauty box ranking for July boxes. I haven't filmed that yet, but I was looking over this one obviously because this is a beauty box, and yeah, I just overall wasn't super happy in the end with last month, which, you know, that happens. You're not, I mean, it'd be great to love every single box, but some boxes have things that work for some and not others. So like this box this month I'm more excited about, but last month the big product was a Dr. Brandt product. It was like a double-sided eye product actually, or no, a lip product. At first I was like, wait, we got 2 eye products. It was a Dr. Brandt 3D Lip Plump Fix, and Dr. Brandt is not a cruelty-free brand, so I'm gonna have to pass that one along. So that was like the big product. We did get some Hum Nutrition like hair vitamins that I've been taking. They're like gummy vitamins. I've actually been taking them because they're gummy and I'm more likely to because they like taste good. It was just like a 2-week supply, but I haven't been perfect about taking them every day. And we did get a full-size eye cream. I thought that when I said it earlier. So we did get an eye cream last month, but it was different. It was 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream, so you know they have different functions. This one's for like puffiness, and the one we got today is tightening, which I'm still like so intrigued about. So those were the full-size items, and then we got little samples by Avene and La Roche-Posay, which also aren't cruelty-free. And then we got a product by Murad, which I think is great, but it's for like skin discoloration, which I know a lot of people have like hyperpigmentation, but I'm so fair that's not really an issue I deal with. So I think it's great it was included in the box, but for me it just wasn't really, you know. And then we had like a little cleansing gel, and then we had this R&Co, it's a hair care brand I really like. It was a leave-in conditioner, but I didn't like it because it wasn't one you could just like spray in your hair. It had like a pump applicator or pump, whatever, actuator, and you have to like put in your hands and then put your hands through your hair to get it like dispersed, and I just prefer a spray. I don't know. Sorry, I usually have the products all in front of me. I'll just show you this quick. I feel like I'm gonna cough again. So that is everything for today's video. Please leave your thoughts down below. And again, if you're interested, the link will be in the description box. Thank you to all of my channel members. You guys honestly mean so much to me. I really appreciate your support, but I appreciate every single one of you just for being here and watching. It really does help me out and means so much. If you are interested in learning more about channel memberships, there is a link always in the description box so you can see what the perks are and all of that. One big one is a live stream we're gonna do every other week that'll have little giveaways for members only and stuff like that. Super fun, but yep, that's it. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.